Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Aqara motion sensors in HomeKit, full guide step by step clearly.
Begin by ensuring your Aqara motion sensor is charged and ready for activation.
Locate the HomeKit pairing code found on the back of the sensor or in the user manual.
Open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the plus sign in the upper right corner of the screen.
Select Add Accessory from the drop-down menu. When prompted, scan the HomeKit pairing code.
If the sensor is not detected automatically, ensure it is within range of your HomeKit hub. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process.
Assign the sensor to a specific room for easier organization.
Adjust the settings by tapping on the accessory once it appears in the Home app. You can customize notifications and automations based on motion detection. Ensure the sensor's firmware is updated for optimal performance. Test the sensor by triggering motion and observing its response in the app.
Confirm that your smart home devices react appropriately to the sensor's input. Explore additional features such as setting schedules or integrating with other Aqara devices. Make adjustments as necessary to fit your specific needs. Congratulations, your Aqara motion sensor is now successfully integrated with HomeKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.